Right, hi everyone. We're going to open up, I'm not really exactly sure how to call it, but we've been calling it the Nazi locker. We emptied out another locker. This is my locker, it's not the Nazi locker. And we're going to open up a box. We just call it the Nazi box because there's a lot of, well, probably some really disturbing things in there. So if you don't want to see this kind of thing, I understand it. So here we go, we're going to open up and we're going to find this box inside here. It's a homemade box, it's black. Okay, we're going to open this up just so you know that we opened up briefly just to see what was in there, and it's kind of disturbing. We didn't go through it or anything, but we did see what the contents were. So here we go. This is a homemade box. You can see there's some symbols on the front. These kind of look like semaphore, which you might use in the Navy with flags and that kind of thing. I'm not sure if you know what it is. Maybe someone I know that watches these videos might know what that is, but it looks like it may be something like semaphore. So let's open up and see what we got. Now, if some of these Nazi flags are old, then they would be worth something, but this is pretty bad. Here, these are new Nazi flags, I guess. You know, it's interesting, there's an American flag on it. And then you can see there's the swastika. So, yeah, they're probably not worth it. Even if they were, I would never sell them. Here's, this ought to be pleasant here. Let's see. Looks like a dragon. So I don't know what this is. It's a banner of some kind with a dragon on it. Now once again, this one's nylon, so I'm thinking that it's probably, I'm sure it's not worth anything. And ooh, these smell interesting. These smell like old cigarettes. You know, it's got the German symbol there, the cross. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, another flag. Also nylon, I believe. So it's not old. I can put it here, maybe get a better shot of it. I don't know what that is. Well, obviously there's a swastika on there and everything. Okay. It's a box of cards. Oh yeah, this is pretty bad. When you have business cards with the KKK on it here. Alright, so there's bringing the message of hope and deliverance for America. So if you want to join the Ku Klux Klan, I guess that's who you got to talk to. These are pretty old cards, so I'm throwing all that out too. So I won't bring the stuff in my house. So, nothing. Well, I know that they like to collect a lot of newspaper articles about the Red Wings and things like this. So this kind of makes sense. You know, here's some Red Wing stuff. Some newspapers. A whole stack of newspapers in here. All the way down. Newspapers. Yeah, a lot of newspapers. Okay. Well, it'd be nice if they maybe kept their gold in here. That would have been handy. Well, some tracing paper. This looks like, oh. Personal record and things like this. Someone was into brewing too. Mr. Beer. Brewing with Mr. Beer. Alright. So those are just some of the records in there. Personal records. I'll put this place here. Oh, something more about the Aryan nation. Lovely. Oh, there's the same symbols we saw. Oh, yeah, it looks like they even translated all the semaphores into the alphabet. If I'm right, that's what that is. I don't know. So, a lot of weirdness. Here is... Oh, more Nazi stuff. Oh, there you go. Yeah. The Holocaust was a lie, apparently, according to them. So yeah, there's some memorabilia about Klan activities. A lot of hot rod stuff. Let's get high stuff. I want to show you that. Personal stuff. So, alright. More personal stuff. Stick with it. Oh, there's stickers. with his name on it. This is like going back when he was a kid, apparently. Okay, way in the back here I see something interesting. It looks pointy. Alright, what do we got here? Some kind of a throwing star, it looks like. Well, then you have to have your Klan credentials to get in press events or something, I don't know. Here is... I don't know. Looks like... Oh, wait. Oh, nothing. Well, that's kind of anticlimactic. I don't know what it's for. Nothing. Nothing else back there. Let's see what's in here. Belarus. Yeah, the box has all been empty. There's never... Oh, there's a watch. There's a watch in there. This is a stamp pad. Lots of hate books. Right here. The Rise and Fall of Adolf Hitler. So they're really following Hitler pretty closely. These look like reading cards. What do we got here? It's like a homemade kind of a thing. It's a pleasant looking soul. Okay. Hitler victorious. They're still holding on to that lie. Patrol operation. Oh, they have their own, that's kind of nice. They have, oh, that's a music magazine actually. So a whole bunch of Soldier of Fortunes in here. Algebra. Alright, University of Chicago. You want to learn some math? There you go. Bestseller or something. Black Angels, History of the Waffen SS. I'll go to a book of sculpture. Paper dividers and things like that. These are like drawings of like a kid might be like a high school kid or something like that. Let's see. Yeah, some kind of thinking here. Yeah, nothing there. Too bad. So they didn't keep their stash of gold in here. too bad. And these just look like more documents, things like that. And here we'll go through those, but they're probably just documents and things like that. And then, oh, there's a couple things. Oh, more hockey cards. We found a lot of hockey cards in the unit, you know, in total. And here's a hockey puck, the official hockey puck of something. And that looks like about it. I'm not going to bore you taking you through newspapers, everyone, but pretty much that's what's in the Nazi box. No gold, no really of anything of value in there, but it was pretty weird. So, like you have to say on YouTube, thanks for watching.